வணக்கம். 8th Standard English Medium, Lesson number 9, Matter Around Us. Textbook exercise. Choose the best answer. The liquid metal used in thermometers is. Answer: mercury. The liquid metal used in thermometer is mercury. Second question. The pictorial symbol for water given by the alchemists was. Answer: option C. Which one of the following element name is not derived from planet? Answer: mercury. Symbol of mercury is. Answer: option B, Hg. Symbol of mercury is Hg. A form of non-metal which has high ductility is. Answer: option D, carbon. A form of non-metal which has high ductility is carbon. The property which allows the metals to be hammered into their seats is. Answer: option B, malleability. Malleability. The non-metal which conducts electric current is. Answer: option A, carbon. The non-metal which conducts electric current is carbon. Pencil lead contains graphite. Pencil lead contains graphite. Identify the state of matter based on the arrangement of the molecules. Answer: option A, gas, solid, liquid. A gas, B solid, C liquid. Fill in the blanks. The element which possesses the character of both metals and non-metals are called dash. Answer: metalloids. The element which possesses the character of both metals and non-metals are called metalloids. The symbol of tungsten is dash. Answer: W. The symbol of tungsten is W. Melting point of most metal is dash than non-metal. Answer: greater. Melting point of most metal is greater than non-metal. Question number 4. Water contains dash and dash element. Answer: hydrogen and oxygen element. Water contains hydrogen and oxygen element. Fifth question. Dash is used as semiconductor. Answer: silicon. Silicon is used as semiconductor. Match the following. Part 1, Part 2 is given. In Part 1 questions are given and Part 2 answers are given. We have to match them correctly. In Part 1, iron, copper, tungsten, boron. In Part 2, for making wires, sewing needle. As a fuel for ignition in rocket, making the filament of a bulb. Iron. sewing needle. Iron, sewing needle. Copper, for making wires. Copper, for making wires. Tungsten, making the filament of a bulb. Tungsten, making the filament of a bulb. Boron, as a fuel for ignition in rocket. Boron, as a fuel for ignition in rocket. Match 2 B. Part 1, Part 2 is given. In Part 1, atom, element, compound, molecules are given. In Part 2, building block of matter, atoms of different kinds, atoms of the same kind, smallest unit of a substance are given. We have to match them correctly. Atom, smallest unit of a substance. Atom, smallest unit of a substance. Element, atoms of the same kind. Element, atoms of the same kind. Compound, atoms of different kinds. Compound, atoms of different kinds. Molecule, building block of matter. Answer very briefly. What is ductility? Answer. Metals can be drawn into thin wires. This property of metals is called ductility. Example, copper wires. Write the constituent elements and their symbols for the following compounds. A. Carbon monoxide. B. Washing soda. Compounds, elements, symbols. Carbon monoxide, elements, carbon, oxygen. Symbols, carbon for C, oxygen O. Washing soda, elements, sodium, carbon, oxygen. Sodium, symbol Na, carbon C, oxygen O. Write the symbols for the following elements. A. Oxygen. B. Gold. C. Calcium. D. Cadmium. E. Iron. Elements and their symbols. Oxygen O, gold Au, calcium Ca, cadmium Cd, iron Fe. Fourth question. Which non-metals essential for our life and all living beings? Answer. Oxygen. Oxygen is essential for our life and all living beings. Why are bells made of metals? Answer. On being hit, metals produce a typical sound. This property is being made used in making temple bells. Sixth question. What does a chemical symbol represent? Answer. The easiest way to represent the element and to write a chemical formula is using symbols. Seventh question. Give 2 examples for metalloids. Answer. Arsenic, germanium. Eighth question. Mention any 3 compounds that exist in liquid state. Answer. Water, acetic acid, hydrochloric acid. Ninth question. Write the properties of metalloids. Metalloids are solids at room temperature. They can form alloys with other metals. Metalloids are much poorer conductor of heat and electricity than the metals. Answer briefly. First question. Can you store pickle in an aluminium utensil? Give reason. Answer. Pickle cannot be stored in aluminum utensil because pickle contains acids which can react with aluminum, liberating hydrogen gas. This can lead to the spoiling of pickle. Question number 2. Tabulate the difference between metals and non-metals. Property, metals, non-metals. Property, appearance. Metals, elements are shiny. Non-metals, elements do not shine. Melting point. Metals usually high. Non-metals usually low. Boiling point. Metals usually high. Non-metals usually slow. Density. Metals usually high. Non-metals usually low. Conductivity. Thermal and electrical. Metals good. Non-metals very poor. Third question. Why are utensils made up of aluminum and brass? Answer. The utensils are made up of aluminum and brass because they are good conductors of heat. These metal utensils are generally tinned from inside to prevent any reaction between such metal and foodstuff. For efficient cooking, those metals are used. Define alchemy. The alchemists tried to change less valuable metal into gold. The process was called alchemy. Fifth question. Name the elements with the following symbols: A sodium, Na, Bw, Cba, Dal, Eu. Symbols and elements. Na, element sodium. W, tungsten. Ba, barium. Al, aluminium. U, uranium. Question number 6. Name 6 common non-metals and write their symbols. Answer. Name of the non-metals. Symbols. Nitrogen N, oxygen O, carbon C, sulfur S, phosphorus P, chlorine Cl. Seventh question. Mention any 4 compounds and their uses. Compounds. Uses. Water. Uses for drinking and as solvent. Sugar. Preparation of sweets, toffees and fruit juices. Slacker lime. Whitewashing of walls. Limestone. Preparation of chalk pieces. Question number 8. Name the metals that are used in jewelry. Answer. Gold, silver, copper. Question number 9. Mention the uses of the following compounds. A. Baking soda. B. Bleaching powder. C. Quicklime. Compounds and their uses. Baking soda. Fire extinguisher, preparation of baking powder and preparation of cakes and bread. Bleaching powder. Uses as bleaching agent, disinfectant and sterilization of drinking water. Quicklime. Uses manufacture of cement and glass. Give reason. Give reason for the following. A. Aluminium foils are used to wrap food items. Answer. Because aluminium being soft, malleable metal, it can be beaten into sheets and form thin wrapping sheets. Moreover, it does not react with food items. Question number B. Immersion rods for heating liquids are made up of metallic substances. Answer. Metals are good conductors of heat and electricity. So, immersion rods made up of metallic substances. Question number C. Sodium and potassium are stored in kerosene. Answer. Because kerosene contains no water and humidity. If sodium and potassium are stored in kerosene, the reaction will be avoided. Question number D. Mercury is used in thermometers. Answer. Mercury is the only one metal in liquid state at room temperature. It is used in the thermometers because it has high coefficient of expansion. Hence, the slightest change in temperature can be noted. Question number 2. Why wires cannot be drawn from material such as stone or wood? Answer. Wires are used in conduction of electricity. Stone and wood are non-conductors of electricity. So, wires cannot be drawn from materials such as stone or wood. Thank you.